Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if there's more out there than just stars? What if I told you that, not too long ago, something from beyond our solar system came racing through, sparking debates, theories, and even the question, could it be something from another world? In 2017, astronomers discovered an object passing through our solar system that defied everything we thought we knew about space. This object, named Oumuamua, became the first known interstellar visitor, something traveling from another star system, something we'd never seen before. It was long, elongated, and moving at speeds that didn't quite make sense. Scientists were left baffled. Could it be a piece of a shattered planet? Or was it something far more extraordinary? Now let's be real. How would you feel if you were the one to make this discovery? Imagine being the first person to spot a cosmic mystery, a visitor from another galaxy, entering our backyard. You'd probably have a lot of questions, right? And so do we. What do we really know about the truth behind this mysterious traveler? Let's dive into the story of Oumuamua and explore the mysteries it left behind. What is Oumuamua? Have you ever wondered if we've ever been visited by something from beyond our solar system? Well, we have. In October 2017, astronomer Robert Warwick made a discovery that would spark global intrigue. He spotted an object cruising through our solar system that didn't quite fit the usual description of an asteroid or comet. This object, which would later be named Oumuamua, was unlike anything we had ever seen before. Oumuamua, meaning scout or messenger in Hawaiian, was the first interstellar object to be detected passing through our solar system. But what made it even more intriguing was its mysterious behavior. Unlike comets, which leave visible tails as they release gas and dust, Oumuamua had no such display, yet its speed and trajectory suggested it was not bound by the sun's gravity, making it the first object known to have traveled here from another star system. Its sudden appearance raised questions that were both scientific and philosophical. Was it a natural cosmic rock, or was there something more to its journey? Could it have been sent by an intelligent civilization, or was it simply a piece of a shattered world floating in the vast emptiness of space? Regardless of its origin, Oumuamua captivated the world, opening up new discussions on the nature of our universe and the possibilities of life beyond Earth. Physical characteristics. Oumuamua is not just fascinating because of its mysterious journey. Its physical characteristics alone are enough to grab anyone's attention. Imagine this, an elongated cigar-shaped object, measuring up to 400 meters in length, with a width that's just a fraction of its length. No object like this had ever been observed in our solar system before. Most asteroids and comets are spherical, or slightly irregular in shape, but this one was different, almost perfectly elongated. The strange aspect ratio, its length being far greater than its width, immediately raised questions. Why was it shaped this way? How did it form? The object's reddish hue suggests it could be made of metals or other compounds similar to those found in the outer reaches of our solar system, which led some scientists to speculate that it could be composed of hydrogen-rich compounds or even exotic ices. Its color also hinted at the fact that Oumuamua had likely traveled through the galaxy for a long time, accumulating cosmic radiation, which gave it that distinctive red appearance. Another odd feature of Oumuamua was its smooth surface. It wasn't covered in craters or dust clouds like most other space objects. This led to more questions. Why did it appear so pristine despite having traveled through space for so long? Its trajectory and motion, combined with its strange shape, made Oumuamua a puzzle scientists are still trying to solve. What exactly is it, and how did it come to be? Unusual acceleration. Have you ever seen an object moving faster than expected, as if it's trying to escape the pull of gravity? Well, that's exactly what Oumuamua did. When it was first discovered, astronomers expected it to follow the usual gravitational path of a comet or asteroid, but something unusual happened. It started to speed up. Now, let's break this down. Typically, when objects like asteroids or comets pass through our solar system, their velocity is influenced mainly by the gravity of the sun. But Oumuamua didn't behave like that. It accelerated in a way that couldn't be fully explained by the sun's gravity alone. Scientists were baffled. How could this object increase in speed without any visible tail or outgassing of gas like we see with comets? Comets speed up because they eject gas and dust as they approach the sun, creating a push that propels them forward. But Oumuamua? No tail, no coma. This strange acceleration left scientists scrambling for answers. The most likely explanation? Some scientists speculated that Oumuamua could have been shedding material or gas in a way that was undetectable. But this seemed improbable, given the lack of any visible sign of comet-like activity. Other theories suggested that it could be the result of solar radiation pressure. In this theory, the object's highly elongated shape could have created an effect where sunlight was pushing it forward, much like how a sail catches wind. But even this theory has its flaws and hasn't been definitively proven. Could it be that Oumuamua was accelerating because of forces we just don't yet fully understand? Or is there something more mysterious at play here? Whatever the case, this unexplained acceleration has kept scientists on their toes, raising even more questions about the true nature of this strange visitor. Theories about its origin. What if I told you that Oumuamua might not even be from our solar system? That's right, this mysterious object came from somewhere far beyond the stars, and its origins are still a complete mystery. Scientists have spent years trying to figure out where it came from, and while there are several theories, no one has yet pinpointed the exact source. The most popular theory suggests that Oumuamua is a fragment from a disintegrated comet or even a piece of an exoplanet. Some scientists propose that it could be a leftover shard from an ancient collision in a distant solar system. The idea is that, like the debris in our asteroid belt, objects like Oumuamua are born when a planet or moon shatters. If that's the case, then we might be looking at the remnants of an ancient celestial event that occurred millions or even billions of years ago. Another theory posits that Oumuamua is a product of an exoplanet rich in nitrogen ice, similar to Pluto. This hypothesis comes from the idea that the object's reddish color could indicate that it was once part of a distant planet. Over time, material on the surface could have been compressed and altered by radiation from its star. Could it be a frozen piece of a distant world floating through space on a never-ending journey? It's certainly a plausible idea, though far from proven. Then there's the most wild theory of all. Some researchers have even suggested that Oumuamua might be a product of artificial creation, perhaps even a probe sent from an advanced alien civilization. The odd acceleration, coupled with its unusual shape, fueled this speculation. Could it be that we've encountered a piece of technology from another world? While this idea has generated a lot of buzz, the scientific community remains skeptical, with most leaning toward natural explanations. Despite all these theories, we're still no closer to knowing where Oumuamua came from. Is it a piece of natural debris, or could it be something more extraordinary? Whatever the case, Oumuamua has challenged our understanding of space and made us rethink what might be out there beyond our solar system. Speculations and controversies. What if I told you that Oumuamua could be more than just a space rock, more than just a cosmic traveler passing through our solar system? When this mysterious object was first discovered, some speculated that it wasn't a natural object at all, but a man-made one. Yes, you heard that right. There was a theory that Oumuamua could be an alien spacecraft, a probe, or even a type of light sail, sent by some advanced extraterrestrial civilization. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But when you consider how strange its movements were, it's easy to see why people entertain this possibility. The biggest argument for this theory came from the fact that Oumuamua's movement didn't follow what we expected. As it traveled through our solar system, it accelerated in ways that couldn't easily be explained by gravity alone. Some experts even pointed out its unusual shape, a long, cigar-like object that seemed almost too perfectly designed to be natural. It was almost as if it had been built, not formed. In addition, Oumuamua's lack of visible outgassing, the way comets typically shed gas and dust, left some wondering if it might actually be a piece of alien technology, something designed to be as sleek and unnoticeable as possible. There were even those who believed its speed and trajectory might suggest it was a probe, sent to observe or communicate. After all, if an advanced civilization were to send a craft through our solar system, wouldn't they make it as stealthy as possible? However, despite the intrigue, most scientists dismissed these ideas, citing the lack of definitive evidence. They argued that while Oumuamua's behavior was unusual, it could still be explained by natural causes. Nonetheless, the notion of it being an alien artifact continues to captivate the imagination of many, and the debates are far from over. Could Oumuamua have been an extraterrestrial visitor, or is it simply a natural anomaly that we don't yet fully understand? Current status and future exploration. As Oumuamua drifts further away from our solar system, its time in the spotlight has faded, but its impact on science remains. Since it made its closest approach to the Sun in 2017, it has been hurtling away from our cosmic neighborhood at high speeds. By now, it has passed beyond the orbit of Neptune, continuing its journey into the depths of space. Unfortunately, it's not expected to return, meaning that our chance to study this fascinating object was brief but impactful. So, what have we learned from Oumuamua's visit? Its brief stay has already prompted some major breakthroughs in space exploration and our understanding of interstellar objects. Scientists are now more focused on identifying and studying similar objects in the future. With the rise of new telescopes and more advanced technology, astronomers are already scanning the skies, hoping to catch another glimpse of a visitor like Oumuamua. These future encounters could provide us with more data, helping us refine our theories about the origin of such objects. Although we may never know exactly where Oumuamua came from or what it truly is, its mysterious passage through our solar system has opened up an entirely new frontier in space exploration. Its unexplained behavior has prompted a new era of research into interstellar objects, and it's likely that future missions will look for more objects like it. Could there be other Oumuamuas out there just waiting to be discovered? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure. Oumuamua's brief but fascinating appearance has forever changed the way we view the cosmos. Why we missed it so easily. One of the most baffling aspects of Oumuamua's journey is how close we came to missing it entirely. Despite being a historic first, an interstellar object zipping through our solar system, it wasn't spotted until it was already on its way out. That's right. When astronomers first detected Oumuamua in October 2017, it had already passed its closest point to the Sun and was hurtling away at over 85,000 miles per hour. So why did it take so long to notice something so significant? The truth is, space is vast, and our ability to monitor it is surprisingly limited. Most telescopes are focused on specific regions of the sky, or objects that follow predictable paths, like asteroids in the asteroid belt or planets orbiting stars. Oumuamua, on the other hand, came in fast from a strange angle, almost perpendicular to the plane of the solar system, making it harder to detect. Its small size and lack of visible tail made it nearly invisible to conventional detection methods. This close call exposed a major gap in our planetary defense and space observation systems. If we can nearly miss a once-in-a-lifetime interstellar visitor, what else might we be missing? This has led to an increased push for more advanced all-sky surveillance, with projects like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory aiming to provide near real-time detection of fast-moving objects. The story of Oumuamua isn't just about what it is, but about how easily the universe can surprise us when we're not looking in the right direction. If you found Oumuamua's journey as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to InnoVision Tech for more mind-blowing discoveries. We've only scratched the surface of what the universe has to offer, and you won't want to miss the next adventure. Make sure to ring the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when we uncover new mysteries about space, technology, and the unknown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next cosmic exploration.